I've never seen her do that before. She's sunbathing. I had my back turned toward her. I thought water was dripping off the top of the house. That's what it sounds like. Oh, that's funny. It's a pretty day today, so she's been laying in the sun all day. Sleep on, pretty girl.